Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Are electric vehicles experiencing a crash? According to AAA, interest in EVs has plummeted to its lowest level since 2019, with only 16% of U.S. adults saying they're likely to purchase one as their next car. That's a stark drop from last year's 25%, and it seems like the excitement around electric cars is fizzling out. Electrodrive News has been following this story closely, and we've got some numbers that shed some light on why people are hesitant to buy EVs. High battery repair costs and purchase prices are top of mind for many consumers, 62% and 59% respectively. And let's not forget about range anxiety, with 57% of people citing concerns over long-distance travel. But what about the environmental benefits? Despite those being a major draw for some buyers, it seems like that advantage isn't enough to outweigh other concerns. Now, you might be wondering if this is a sign that electric vehicles are doomed. But Electrodrive News says no way. The industry has come too far and has made so many strides in terms of technology and affordability. And let's not forget about the cost savings. EVs have been shown to have some of the lowest fuel costs on the market, not to mention lower maintenance and repair costs. But what can be done to turn things around? According to AAA, one solution is to shift towards hybrid or plug-in hybrid vehicles. These models combine the benefits of electric power with traditional internal combustion engines, providing a more practical alternative for many drivers. Electrodrive News agrees that hybrids are the way forward, and we're keeping an eye on how Toyota's championing this technology might shape the future of the EV industry. With companies like Tesla struggling to regain confidence among consumers, it'll be interesting to see how things play out in the coming months. One thing's for sure, if the industry can find a way to address these concerns and make electric vehicles more appealing to a wider range of buyers, then we're looking at a future that's not just sustainable, but also incredibly exciting.